Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to remove multiple Snapchat friends at once. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch Snapchat app on your device. And in here, make sure they are logged into your account. After that, go to your profile by tapping on your avatar from the upper left corner of your screen. In here, scroll down and under the friends section, tap on my friends. In here, you will see all your list of friends on your Snapchat. Snapchat doesn't allow us to remove multiple friends at once, but we can go one by one. For that, go to your friends profile and then hold for a second. In there, a dialog box will pop up and there tap on manage friendship. And then again tap on remove friend and again tap remove. That friend will get removed from your Snapchat. You can follow the same steps with other friends as well, and this is how you can simply remove friends from Snapchat. I hope this video helped you, and make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.